Good afternoon, airport.
Good afternoon, Judge.
Ma'am, is your name Diana Lloyd?
Yes, sir.
Good afternoon, Miss Lloyd.
Good afternoon, sir.
Miss Lloyd, I have 3 files that you need to be arraigned on. Each of these is from September 28, 21, 3 misdemeanor charges. Are you prepared to go forward today with the arraignment without benefit of an attorney, or would you like to speak to the court-appointed attorney?
I'll go without the benefit of the attorney.
All right. Ms. Lloyd, I've got 1 count disorderly person, 1 count trespassing, and 1 count urinating in public. Each one of these is a misdemeanor punishable by up to $500 fines plus court costs. Each one is up to 93 days in jail. Do you understand the charges, ma'am, and the possible penalty?
Yes, sir.
I've got your address on High Street, apartment 25. Is that a good address, ma'am?
Yes, sir.
And do you have a phone number we can put on your file?
No, sir.
No phone? Okay. And how do you wish to plead today, ma'am?
Not guilty, sir.
All right. My understanding is you've got some other files scheduled for pretrial on October 21, which is a Thursday. I'm going to add these 3 files to that same court date. Understood? Ms. Lloyd, do you understand that?
Yes, sir. Sir, I thought I already served that in jail. I was here before you served me for urinating. You kept me in jail for overnight. You brought me from the airport and served me that time out. And then
Do you know what?
I just had 8 trespassing tickets, and where you gave me that, you said I had the last 20 years, and you dropped all those charges.
All right. Do you know when that was, ma'am?
Yes, sir. This just happened recently. This happened back in. This is September. This happened in August. I dropped 8 trespassing tickets because you said I had them 20 years ago. You say this is so old, Diane. I'm dropping all of them. And
Okay,
and we supposed to be in trial again this month on the 22nd about one last trespassing ticket.
all right, okay, you got to give me a chance to respond.
Okay.
All right, so this court date that you have for October 21, that's going to be with Judge Green.
Yes.
We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. We've got 14 files scheduled on October 21. All of those files are from 2020 and 2021.
No, you just dropped that case. You gave me, you said I had 8 trespassing tickets.
A moment ago you said that I dropped some files that were 20 years old.
Yes.
I don't remember if we had some old files or not, but these files that are still on your list, scheduled for October 21st, these are all from this year and last year. So these are not 20-year-old files.
Well, where is the cases you dropped? Because we had
I don't know, ma'am. I don't know.
Had a court case. We had a court case.
I don't remember having you in front of me in September or in August. So I can't go from memory.
I was not in court, sir, but they brought me my papers, and the lady said Mr. Police told me too. He said the judge awarded you those cases. He dropped those cases, Diane.
Okay.
And you
And
go
I'm not
back.
saying that, I'm not suggesting that did not happen. I'm telling you, I don't remember it. But if we dismiss some files in August, we've still got these files from 20 and 21.
It was only supposed to be one trespassing ticket.
Okay, well,
That's
I've got 14 files plus the 3 for today.
I don't know what to say.
How long have you lived at your address on High Street?
Sir, I've been staying there for about 5 years.
Okay. And what's the problem that you what are you going to the airport for? Do you have a job there? What's your reason for going to
I
the
work
airport?
at Kroger over on Dearborn. I got a job at Kroger, and I also work at do volunteer work. I do volunteer work at Kroger. I do volunteer work at Myers, Marshall Shields. I originally got my job in Pontiac at Kroger store. I was a
Okay.
front bag.
My question is, what business do you have at Metro Airport? Why are you going to Metro Airport?
I go through there, sir, to get to Kroger, like I said, and try to do volunteer work. I be
Okay,
trying.
there's no reason. There's no reason you have to go through Metro Airport to get to Kroger from your house in Ecorse.
I know, but I catch the Michigan bus downtown.
You have to find another way to get to Kroger, man, because you going to the airport is getting you in too much trouble.
Thank you, sir.
All right. Who's the officer for the airport today?
Detective Carmona.
Detective, I've got case numbers when you're ready.
Ready.
21 WMO 2135 ABC.
Okay.
And the bond rec, I'm not sure, are you requesting a cash bond or are you requesting a personal bond with a condition of the evaluation?
Condition.
All right. So you're gonna transport for that
Yes.
purpose? All right. Miss Lloyd, thank you, Detective. Miss Lloyd, is there anything else you want me to consider before I set your bond?
Sir, I'd like for to be respected to go home today.
Is there anything else?
No, sir.
All right, Miss Lloyd, I'm going to put you on a personal bond. You do not have to post any money, but you will have to be seen by the professionals for a mental health evaluation before you're released to go home. Do you understand that?
And when would that be?
Where or when? What did you ask me?
I said, where would that be?
Where would that be? It's going to be downtown.
Oh, so I will be able to go home today?
No, ma'am. You're not going to go home until after you're seen by the mental health professionals. Do you have any questions, Miss Lloyd?
Yes, how long would that be?
How long will it be, ma'am? I don't know.
Yes.
It depends on how long it's going to take to have you evaluated. The airport police are going to transport you to the facility today. Hopefully they'll see you in a day or two, but I don't know how long that's going to take.
Okay, sir. Would my
Good luck to you, ma'am.
Would my property be able to go with me?
I would anticipate that is correct, yes.
Thank you.
Good luck, ma'am.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you, Detective. Thanks, ma'am.
If you found this case as intense as we did, make sure to hit that like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more powerful courtroom breakdowns.